Hey guys, Mister here. Today I'm here with Wesley from GamerFan. Say hi. Hello. And today I don't know what to do.
I just barely finished watching The Thought. You should go watch it. It's an Undertale, thing.
Let's play some Brawlhalla.
Liked it.
Let's play some Brawlhalla.
Ooh, I want to try that for my very first time, actually.
This is how you move. WASD. W jump. These are how you move. This is how you attack. Okay? And you could also move with these.
Can you crouch?
No.
What does S do?
I don't know what S does.
Oh, I want to. Okay, so how can you do? So you can only jump, move, and attack? I'm pretty sure. Okay. Are we gonna put this on YouTube? Yes. Woo! Okay.
But it'll be in my YouTube channel because I started the intro.
Okay, 2 minutes and 7 so far. That's good. How do we?
It's launching.
Oh.
I'll tell you when it's launched.
Ooh, C done. Play. Free for all.
Choose your character. You can only.
They all look really ugly, but
you can only pick these.
Oh, look at that cool one.
Wait,
what are all these characters? I haven't seen.
They're the ones that I haven't unlocked yet.
Oh, I think if I'm ever going to use one, I'll use that one. But for now, the lowest one, I'm going to use that one. Then the next one
You can only use the ones that are
The
in
next
color.
one will probably be this one. Then next.
This is my favorite one right here.
The next one I will use will most likely be this one or this one.
Pick
then,
your character already.
Sorry, I'm getting carried away. This is so cool. Not sponsored. Hashtag not sponsored. Random. Okay. Whatever this cool the guy
Guys,
is.
hit that like and subscribe button.
What? What? That's crazy. Classic.
To confirm your character, click C.
What's this? Do.
If you're done changing, click C.
Classic colors. Ooh, there's green. Whoa, that's cool.
Favorite it's blue.
That looks cool. Forgotten about. Nope, I cannot change that.
You can't change that. You can't change that.
What is it?
And you can't change that.
Okay.
Click C to confirm your character. You have to click C.
Okay. Nice. One sec. I'm trying to grab them. Okay, here we go. WAS, and how do you fight?
C.
Oh, what?
Now it's going into the actual match.
3, 2, 1,
Oh, sorry, lag. No! I don't know how to play this game. Ooh, what's that cool thing?
That's your rocket.
How do you use that? Oh, I'm back. Oh, okay. Sorry. You can stop yelling at your screens now.
Keep yelling at your screens.
No. Hey, my thing just threw me on the floor. No!
Sorry,
I run too fast!
sorry that we have no webcam.
I have a webcam.
Just I don't have one.
I didn't bring mine.
At my house. Well, someone disconnected from the server.
No!
You are such a noob.
This is my first time playing, okay? Don't judge. No! I suck. Okay, after this round, show them how not to suck.
Okay.
Wait, how do you... I forgot how to jump!
W.
Okay, I got this now.
Look, you got smacked down on it. Guys, if you want to see me play Escapist, I can't really do that because we're recording on the computer and I only have Escapist on my Kindle.
Whoa! Did you see that?
No?
I jumped, slashed up, and then went on the wall. Jumped and slashed up to get more height, so I can go on the wall. Yeah, I'm going to stand here and wait for someone to dang it. My strategy is going to be to stand
Watch
still
your
and
person.
smack
Watch
someone.
you.
Woo! Day. I'm going to stand here smacking stuff.
Sorry if you don't know which character we are. We are this character. Oh wait, you should know. Oh, because you watched the intro and when he picked out his character.
Oh yeah, I'm getting some kills in. And I just flew. Goodbye. I totally did that on purpose. I'm not the worst noob in the world at this game.
You are the worst noob in the world.
I jumped off on purpose.
Even I'm a noob and I'm better than you.
You're not a noob, you're a pro.
Actually, I'm a noob and I'm way better.
This world is so hard! Everybody hashtag hate on chain platforms.
Everyone hashtag
And hate on chain platforms. These. Can you click to hit?
Leave a like and
Oh,
subscribe.
you
and
can
hit that
you can click.
notification bell
You can
to
click.
get notified when we upload.
I just learned something new. You don't have to do the other thing. You can actually click to hit. Okay. So see.
I am way better than you at this game.
I got at least one kill, which you've never got.
That's not true. I got 10 kills in my first game.
I'm going to sniff you.
No, you're not.
I'm going to sniff you.
No, you're not.
I just sniffed the microphone.
Stop sniffing the microphone. We're using it.
Can I eat it at least?
No, you can't. Let me just play and pee.
What?
Hey,
Kid appropriate YouTube channel. Stop. Don't follow what my friend is doing. He sucks.
LOL, you died. LOL, you died.
That was the actual round. So,
LOL.
I made up a new walk that now me and Asher do all the time.
Hey, guys, you want some of this? Want some of this?
How do you bring out your spear thing?
Your rocket, you have to collect it. And I hate my rocket, so I'm just going to jump off. Shut up, Discord!
Oh my gosh, it's 10 minutes 44. No, it's 10 minutes left. It's moving so fast! Okay, it is, let me...
See you guys next time.
This video is officially 11 minutes long. 11:01, 11:02.
See you guys next time. Bye!